Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Cread. In this video I am going to show you how to make the modded version of the Loco Lego puzzle box. If you have not seen the video of how to make the Loco puzzle box, then go check it out, link is in the description. The aim of this puzzle box is to retrieve two golden bricks, one right here and another one right there. The only thing that has changed or modified is that the tool is not on top, it's hidden inside the puzzle somewhere and we have to retrieve it. So the first step for the solution is to take the 2x1 tile, then slide this piece, and using the 2x1 tile we have to push the skin color tile that's on top of the yellow tile like this. Then as you can see it pops out from the other side. Then pull it out and we have found our main key. Then insert your key in the slit, popping out this brick. Now insert the key in the slit right there. And as you can see it went all the way in but nothing happened. Now take out the 2x1 tile and push the main key right there and the first golden brick pops out. Now for popping out the second golden brick, take out the tool, slide this piece back leaving the green brick behind like this. Then insert your tool in the slit and the second golden brick pops out and the puzzle is solved. These are the pieces that we will be needing for making the puzzle. So make sure that you have all the pieces and let's start. Now take all these pieces for making the base. I've inverted all the pieces because that's how we have to start. First join a 1x8 and a 2x6 plate together. Then place a 2x2 plate on the corner. Then take a 2x4 plate, place it right there, another one, then take another 2x4 plate, place it on the edge, right there, then take a 2x3 plate, a 2x4 plate, attach it to the base like that. And now our base is ready. Now take a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate, then take a 2x1 tile, place it right there, a 1x1 plate, place it on the edge, then take a 1x1 tile, a 2x1 tile, a 1x1 brick, a 1x4 brick, then take 3 2x4 bricks, fix them to the base as shown, like this, then take a 2x3 brick, a 2x1 plate, then take a 2x2 brick and a 1x1 tile, place it on the edge right there. Now take a 2x4 plate, a 1x4 tile, place it over the 2x4 plate like that. Then take a 1x4 brick, a 2x4 brick, a 2x1 brick, then take a 2x2 brick, place it on the corner, a 2x1 plate, then take a 1x4 plate and attach a 1x1 plate to it like this. Then take a golden 2x1 tile, place it on the 1x1 plate right there. Now place this piece on top of it like this. Now take a 1x3 brick. First a 2x1 brick, place it right there. Then take a 1x3 brick. Then take a 2x1 brick, a 1x1 plate, place it right there behind the 1x3 brick, like that. Then take a 2x1 plate and attach two 2x3 plates to it, just like this. Then place them over there, press them nicely. Now take a 1x4 tile, place it on top of the 1x3 brick. Then take a 2x1 brick, a 1x3 plate and a 2x1 plate, join them together and place them right there. Then take a 1x1 tile, place it over the 2x1 plate, a 1x1 plate, place it right there. Then take a 1x1 tile, place it over the 1x1 plate that we placed there earlier, right there. Now take a 2x1 brick and a 2x1 tile. The 2x1 brick should be without a center tube, so that it can slide like that. Now take a 1x3 brick, a 2x2 brick, take another 1x3 brick, place it right there. Now we have to make the slider piece. First take a 2x1 brick without a center tube, place a 1x3 plate over it, a 1x1 brick, then take a 1x6 plate, now take a 2x1 plate and a 2x1 brick, join them together and place them under the 1x6 plate like this. Then take a 2x1 brick, attach a 1x1 plate under it, place them right there. Now take a 2x1 brick without a center tube, place a 2x1 tile over it, then place it on the 1x1 plate right there. Then take a 2x1 plate, then take a 1x4 plate that is not having studs in the middle, as you can see. Then take a 2x1 plate, another one, then take a 1x1 plate, place it right there on the corner, leaving a gap in the middle. Then take a 1x6 plate, place it on top, and our slider button is ready. Then place it on the 2x1 plate right there, press it nicely, and make sure that it slides like this. And if it's not sliding, there's something wrong in your build. Now take a 1x3 plate and attach a 1 by 1 tile to it. Then take off this button and place it right there. Then place the button back there. Then take a 1 by 1 tile, place it on top of the 1 by 3 plate like that. Now take a 2 by 4 plate, a 2 by 2 plate, another one, place it right there. Then take a 2 by 1 plate, two more 2 by 1 plates, place them over the 1 by 4 brick right there. Then take a 2 by 3 plate, another one, place them right there as shown. Then take two 2 by 3 bricks, two 1 by 1 bricks. You can even replace the 1 by 1 bricks with a 2 by 1. Then take a 2 by 1 tile, place it right there like that. Now take a 1 by 1 plate, a golden 2 by 1 tile, a 1 by 4 brick, place them right there. Now take a 1 by 1 plate, a 2 by 1 plate, then take a 2 by 3 plate, now take a 2 by 4 tile and place a 2 by 1 plate under it like this. Then place them right there. Now take another 2 by 4 tile, a 2 by 2 tile, then take two more 2 by 2 tiles and place them on top as shown. Now take a 2 by 6 plate, place it right there. Then take several 2 by 1 plates that have only a center stud, place them right there as shown. Take another one, place it on top of the button like that. Now take a 1 by 6 tile, insert it in this slit right there like that. Then take this 2 by 1 tile, place it right there, and the puzzle is ready. If you like this video and found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Cread. Thank you for watching.